Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a haul. So I've got a bunch of items for this upcoming fall. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing I got, oh my god, I know. I bought this literally today. I don't even want to unbox it. So the bag is really big, but I got a really small thing from Dior. They just didn't have a smaller bag. And they also gave me this like magazine. Wow. This is so dope. Like, okay, so I just unboxed it and it is this Dior ZARA wallet. It's more of a card holder and it can hold a lot of cards. It's in color gray and I think this is like the rare shade, so I just bought it because I just really wanted to splurge today. So the next thing I got is this two-piece set. It's a loungewear set, so this comes with like a little light supported sports bra type of vibe but very soft top. And then it comes with the matching, I think, underwear, honestly. It's a bikini fit, and yeah, I sized down for these because these do run really big. It's high-waisted, and it's so soft and so comfortable. I'll have all the things that I bought today linked down below. The next thing I got is this Valentino-inspired shoes from Vocosi. Look how gorgeous these are. Oh my gosh, and they're in color nude, and so it literally goes with every freaking outfit, and I will insert a picture of how I wore these recently, and I've gotten so many compliments. The next item I'm about to show you, I've never owned something like this before, but it is a tweed dress, and you can wear this on top of a, I don't know, turtleneck or like a white button-up, and it's so cute. It's from ZARA, but I bought it from TJ Maxx for $12.99, which is such a steal. And it's an A-line, and yeah, I'm going to insert a picture of how I wore it. The tweed is actually really good quality, and I just think that this is such a good find from TJ Maxx. Alright, so next up I did some online shopping from Shein. So I bought this dress, and it's beaded on the straps, and it's a v-neck, and it's just a simple black mini dress. It looks so stunning on, and this is, I think, inspired from a ZARA collection. About like 2 seasons ago they had something like this, but it was $70 and I just wasn't about to break the bank. But yeah, this is a great alternative. I'll also have this link down below. The only bad thing is that the straps are very fragile, so you never know when you're going to lose your strap, because I already lost some. The next item from Shein is this top, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't know what you call this type of neckline, but it's a crop top and it has just like this beautiful outline, and it makes your chest look really flattering, even if you're kind of like on the smaller side, because that's me. It looks really flattering on, and it's so soft. Oh my gosh. To match with this top, I actually bought a pants, and it's really hard to show you guys. But yeah, it's just like black long pants, and I was gonna wear this with it together, and I've already worn this outfit so many times, so it's kind of embarrassing almost. Alright, the next thing from Shein, it is this crop top, and I want to say this is more like a gray-ish khaki green type of top. I don't even know what the shade is, to be honest, but yeah, it's so flattering on, and I love wearing this under the blazer like I'm wearing today. Like, it's so cute together like this. And it's ribbed. The quality is actually really good, and the straps are perfect length, which is kind of rare for Shein. Alright, the next store I went to was H&M, and H&M happens to be like one of my favorite stores, and they just carry this like really good neutral tone items this season, and I am literally in love. The first thing I got is this knit vest. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this color is. This is like a beige color, but it is a nice vest, and I think it was only about $18. I'll have it linked below so you guys can check it out, but it is literally so cute. Then to go along with this kind of neutral tone vibes, I bought this sweater slash cardigan. I usually like to wear this buttoned up, and it's just nicely cropped. The sleeves are great. It doesn't puffer up like lint puffer things, so this is great, and I believe this was about $27 using my student discount, so it was perfect. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about these. These are like my favorite go-to pieces right now, and I can't stop wearing them. I forgot to show you guys earlier, but also from TJ Maxx, I bought this leather coat, and the quality is amazing. This is by the brand Tahari. I paid $49.99 for this beautiful leather coat, and then it also comes with a back strap. Oh my gosh, just imagine this with like white boots and I don't know, like a turtleneck and like a skirt. You're gonna look sexy in these. These are so great. Go to your local TJ Maxx to find leather jackets and coats, because I feel like they have the best quality but also best prices. Alright, so another thing I got is a jewelry, and it's from Diamoda. Diamoda sent me their little diamond type of ring. Look how gorgeous this is. It's so blingy and shiny. And I got this in rose gold shade. Look at how blingy and gorgeous it is. I also love that these don't tarnish when I'm wearing the shower. They don't get scratches easily either, so I love that. The quality is amazing. And their shipping was quite fast, which is even better. So if you want to get your significant other some rings or any other jewelry from their website, then go for it. If you guys want to check out Diamoda, I'll have their link down below and their promo code down below so you guys can check it out. Alright, so that was it. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, don't forget to click the like button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!